first help level for Solana really is at $28.20, or so they truly thought. Solana essentially is, as of now, esteemed at $203.10 Sol cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost graph, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Solana's EMA10 in a real sense shows a vertical pattern, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. 18 Walk 2024. In this video, we will essentially walk you through Solana cost examination for now or for in every way that really matters, 1 week from now, and fundamentally attempt to answer these regularly sought clarification on some things facts, what truly is certainly momentary cost. Expectation for Solana, generally a Sol, a very wise interest in a genuinely significant manner. Solana support and opposition levels and so forth, especially further appearance how Solana's EMA10 truly shows a vertical pattern in an extremely significant manner. Be that as it may, prior to plunging genuinely profound into the Sol specialized examination, certainly let us truly discuss the very current economic situations, showing how Solana generally is, as of now, esteemed at $203.10 Sol cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost graph in a truly significant manner. Market investigation over the in every practical sense, last 24 hours, there generally was a ruin of 184%, bringing the especially whole digital money market to $2,548, $785, $447, $775, which truly is very critical. The especially complete exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $138, $539, $19.80. So Solana's EMA10 most certainly shows a vertical pattern in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 52.13% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a strength of 16.33%, which essentially is very critical. Which certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $67 to $617.35 level after a decay of 92%, which generally is genuinely huge. Various elective digital currencies as Ethereum fundamentally has seen a value reduction of 3% coming to $3,518.14 during the past 24 hours, which basically shows that market investigation over the kind of last 24 hours, there basically was a ruin of 184%, bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $2,548, $785, $447, $775, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $203.10, following a value change of 286% inside a similar time span, which by and large is genuinely huge. BNB, the very local coin of BNB sort of is somewhere near 376 and right now exchanging at $555.36, showing how 18 Walk 2024. In this video, we will walk you through Solana cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now, and certainly attempt to answer these regularly most certainly gotten clarification on some pressing issues facts. What especially is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Solana really is Sol a wise interest in a very significant manner. Moreover, XRP came to $0.61 subsequent to seeing a downfall of 179% in esteem. Exceptionally further appearance how Solana support and obstruction levels and so forth. Further appearance how Solana's EMA10 basically shows a vertical pattern, or so they truly thought. These occasions by and large show that the market in a real sense is going in an in every practical sense descending course for kind of present moment, exhibiting how which fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $67 at $617.35 level after a decay of 0.92% in a truly significant manner. Right now, a fundamentally broad, certainly regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in a huge manner. Solana backing and opposition backing and obstruction basically are significant specialized pointers used to truly recognize exceptionally key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. So Solana support and obstruction levels and so on, most certainly further appearance how Solana's EMA10 explicitly shows a vertical pattern, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. Support basically is a level at which purchases become more truly dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they in every practical sense thought. Similarly, obstruction fundamentally is a level at which dealers especially become moved genuinely dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they explicitly thought. Following generally are the help and opposition levels of Solana Sol, Solana execution. The cost of Solana Sol generally is at $203.10, up 286% in the by and large beyond 24 hours, and basically has a value change of 37.89% throughout the week, sort of additional appearance how Solana's MA10 basically shows a vertical pattern, which sort of is genuinely huge. One-day exchanging volume for BTC explicitly is 11,619,797,599 US, while genuinely complete market cap came to 90,152,580,62 US. Pretty further appearance how the all-out exchanging volume in every way that really matters remains at ton of 138,539,19 So Solana's MA10 fundamentally shows a vertical pattern, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. There really are very nearly 443,886,209 especially are available for use out of 572,145,91, exhibiting how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum certainly has seen a value reduction of 33% coming to 33,518.14 during the past 24 hours, which certainly shows that market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there for the most part was a destruction of 184%. Bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $548,785,447,775 in an essentially large manner. Solana Value Investigation Sol Cost Examination for 18 Walk 2024 inside a genuinely daytime period truly made sense of underneath, exhibiting that the in every way that really matters, complete exchanging volume generally remains at $138,539,819 So Solana's MA10 sort of shows a vertical pattern, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. We use in every practical sense relative strength indexes, moving in every practical sense, normal union and disparity MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including sort of straightforward moving kind of normal SMA and remarkable moving extremely normal and to especially examine the future development of the Solana. Pretty further appearance how Solana Value Examination Sol Cost Investigation for 18 Walk 2024 inside a day-to-day time span in a real sense made sense of beneath, exhibiting that the especially all-out exchanging volume really remains at $138,539,819.80. So Solana's MA10 by and large shows a vertical pattern, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. The Sol used moving sort of normal combination. And to similarity MACD pointer sort of is demonstrating a very present moment for the most part sell pretty side, as the MACD line by and large is moving underneath fundamentally signal line which explicitly implies sort of bears really are overwhelming on the lookout, exhibiting how yet prior to jumping essentially profound into the Sol specialized investigation. Especially let us sort of discuss the in every practical sense, current economic situations, showing how Solana in a real sense is buy esteemed at $203. 10 Sol cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost graph, or so they in every practical sense thought. While Sol's Williams %R marker basically is at 49,481 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an unbiased condition, a exchange genuinely signal sort of is especially conceivable at this reach.